Jacqueline Scott owns and operates Container Bar and Restaurant in Mandeville. Let's hear more about her passion for food in this week's Pan the Fire segment.
How long has the business been in operation?
7 years now. I used to work in a restaurant before, so I decided to own my own.
Since you started 7 years ago, how has business been?
Ups and downs. We have good times, slow times, but you know, things are okay so far.
During the COVID-19 pandemic and lockdowns, how did business?
Well, business is good for me that time.
Who are your customers? Who support you?
I have a lot of people support me from around the area, pass by, all over the place. People come and support me. Do good jerk chicken, good pork. The meals are very good here. We do fried chicken, baked chicken, curry goat, oxtail, cow head, stewed pork, curry chicken, a lot of things. Mannish water, cow cod soup.
What keeps your customers coming back for more?
The food is good. It's very good here.
When are you open?
We open from Monday to Saturdays.
What motivates you to continue doing what you do?
Because every day they come and they tell me that your food are good, so it gives me more strength to do more things.
What goes into the preparation of the food?
Well, we season our food properly. We use mostly ground seasoning.
What kind of passion do you put into your food preparation?
Well, I put all because I love to cook. So when I'm cooking, I put all my passion in it.
How the bus gonna reach all now, man? I want to go home go watch the Fiwi culture segment, you know. But don't worry, it's coming up right after this break. Hello Africa was a #1 hit for Garnet 30 years ago. Producer Richard Bell is here to give us the backstory behind that song in this week's Fiwi culture segment.
In 1993, you had a hit rhythm out called Smile, which featured many hits. One of the hit songs was Garnet Silk's Hello Africa. 30 years later, how did that song come about? What inspired it for Garnet at the time?
It's Garnet's idea, his song. I just chose the rhythm. But he always used to sing like hello. Wherever he went, he would sing that. Like, you know, if he came to Pantop, he would say, hello, Pantop, how are you? And, you know, he used to do that around Mandeville. Then he rewrote the song from Africa, from Mama Africa.
Which studio was Hello Africa recorded at?
Black Scarpet.
Yeah.
How are you? I hope when you hear these words, your gray stern.
Working with Garnet is always a good energy that you're always impressed with what he delivers, you know.
While recording the song, did you at any time get the inclination it was going to take off and become a hit song?
In this business, you know, even sometimes the songs that, not much for myself, the song that you really feel, you know, sometimes you don't really feel a song that, you know, that much, and that's the one that goes. But I really like the song, you know, so we never like to count the chicken before they hatch. You know?
I'm coming soon. When I'm with you, I can't be wrong. If not in me, then you.
When the song took off and became popular, how did it change life for Garnet? And how did it change life for you as a producer?
Well, it established me more, you know, like other artists want to record for me. I think as far as Garnet, well, that was just a step in his progress to be where he is now, where people, in the hearts of people.
I'm feeling fine, and I hope you're fine too. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? I hope when you hear these.
Do you still feel safe using ATMs here in Jamaica? Well, we took to the streets of Kingston to hear what the people had to say in this week's Why Pree segment. Why Pree?
No, use ATM at Jamaica. I got man. Sad.
So you gonna get your money?
Save it hard, man. Save it hard.
Honestly, I never trust it from morning. So I not trust it right now.
So how you save your money? How you get your money?
I like the investment, like Sagicor investment and like COK and all of that, but I don't really like the machine. Yeah.
I don't use ATM.
How you withdraw your money? How your banking thing go?
I went in the bank. I don't use ATM.
Me as a man, because I'm a businessman, I don't really use ATMs, you know, when go do a lodgement in the week or whenever. I just take out what I need to take out from there and just keep it where I need to keep it safe and sound, and if I need a bit, take it out and then keep it moving. And I suggest a lot of people should do that,
When you go to those places, you gotta look around, you know what I mean? If you feel funny and your mind say, let's go somewhere else then. You go follow your heart and your mind. You know what I mean? If you feel kind of, you know what I mean? But if you feel like the place safe and everything, just go and still draw your money. You know what I mean? It depends how you feel, but you gotta look around and, I'm still not scared. Because the money that they're gonna look for, I don't have it. I'm gonna ask them for it. Okay? Ask them, can they share it with me?
Yeah.
So I can put it in the machine.
Well, those are the views of the people, Tune in next week for more Why Pree. Why Pree? We're now at the end of this week's episode of Pree This. Today we trod through Upper St. Andrew and don't know, I'm your host Nalda Addy, and I'll see you guys next time.